Hello everyone! Today I have another lemon dessert for you, perfect for the summer. Super easy lemon bars with a sugar dough crust. So let's get started! In a food processor, mix together 210 grams of pastry flour, 30 grams of almond flour, 5 grams of hazelnut flour, 80 grams of powdered sugar, and 1.25 grams of baking powder. Add 104 grams of cold, cubed, unsalted butter and mix until you get a coarse, sandy texture. Add 50 grams of whole eggs and mix until the dough just comes together. Do not overmix. Wrap the dough and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Once dough is ready to roll, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dust your work surface and dough with flour. Roll the dough into an 1/8 of an inch thickness. Cut to fit into an 8x8 baking dish and place it into the pan. Dock the dough with a fork. Bake the crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a light golden brown color, about 15 minutes. Lower your oven temperature to 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt 146 grams of unsalted butter with 146 grams of lemon juice over the stove. Mix together 280 grams of granulated sugar, 10 grams of cornstarch, and 2 grams of lemon zest. Then mix in 200 grams of whole eggs. Mix until well incorporated. Temper the hot lemon juice into the egg mixture while stirring. Then pour the mixture back into the pot. Cook the mixture over medium heat until it thickens. Be sure to stir constantly to prevent mixture from curdling. Pour the batter into baking pan and bake at 285 degrees Fahrenheit until it sets, about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool at room temperature, then chill in the refrigerator. When ready to serve, dust with powdered sugar and enjoy. Time to taste! It is super smooth, silky, tart, but just sweet enough with a nice cookie dough crust. It's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!